Welcome to Chess Tactics Explained Part 4. Take a look at this position. It's about equal with slight advantage for black. And now white makes this move which allows black to win decisively. But there is only one move that allows to do so. How to find it? We must take note that this knight is ready to go to e2 square, attacking the rook, but now it would be pointless because the rook can escape. But if we manage to force the king to go to g1 square, then the fork will work perfectly, right? And we can do this by the help of a tactical theme called decoying that was also shown in one of the previous videos of Chess Tactics Explained. So this is actually the same thinking here. We check the king, and now white king has to step out of h-file, and he can only go to this square that we wanted him to go, and now we fork the king and the rook, and we win the rook next move. And now note that taking with the rook this knight isn't a very good idea, because then black also takes this knight. So not only white lost material, but is now also in trouble. Now let's take a look at this problem. The position is equal, white moves the rook here, and now it is black who has the advantage. Before we will discuss the correct move, let's analyze this position. Our queen is on the same diagonal as the opponent's queen, it's only separated with our knight. What's more, our queen is not protected, and his queen is protected. And what's more, we have a rook opposed to two rooks on the e-file. There is going to be some exchanges. White is completely dominating this square because it attacks with two rooks and queen, and it's only defended twice. We must move the queen, we must move the knight, obviously. And here we can make use of the fact that the knight can give check. And check means, in this position, gaining a tempo. So let's give a check. Now white has to react to the check either by moving the king, which loses a lot of material, or he can just grab the attacking piece, and this is a stronger move for white. So he takes the attacker, and now let's see that the situation is slightly different now, because now there is only one rook in front of our rook, and we have the move, and we actually must take this queen because our queen is unprotected. So we take, and white takes back, but we win the rook, and he defends the check, and black is better now. Let's take a look at this problem. Position is about the same with slight edge for white, but white makes a blunder with this move. Instead of this, he should play his knight to f3, and black realized that it's a mistake, because this knight will stay here forever. This knight has to watch the e1 square from rook coming to e1 with checkmate, and black managed to understand this position and played his bishop to c4, attacking this knight that cannot move anywhere, because if it leaves then it's rook e1 checkmate. So if, for example, white now wants to defend with his rook, then black simply takes, white takes, and checkmate. Instead of this, white can only play like this to win a pawn, and next move black wins the knight. And now white can only evacuate his king from the castle. Let's take a look at this problem. The position is slightly better for black, but now white attacks black's rook, and black can of course escape from this endangered square to d7, but it gives white the advantage. Black can also escape to d8, which is equal game, but we can also notice that black can win a tempo here, checking the king, and at the same time attacking this bishop with two pieces. If black plays queen d1 check, then he wins the tempo, king moves out of harm's way, and now black is ready to win this bishop. At the same time he also escapes from the attacked square. And now white can either take the rook or just wait, and only then exchange the rooks. And after this sequence of moves, black is one knight ahead.